Let's start breaking this down. All of this stuff is very relevant to everybody who's writing copy because he's already done a lot of the research and gotten this, yet there are holes in his research that maybe need to be identified. So let's break this down word by word, okay? Again, the amazing thing, that word's on probation with me. I use it a lot. As Stan mentioned, a lot of people that come in through BizOp or through that thing who would be susceptible to easy MLM pitches, not to put them down, but people who are susceptible to that are going to have seen that a bit, at least. So that word's on probation with me, okay? MLM lowercase, did you try it in uppercase and with periods?
Nope.
Okay. Because right now it looks to me like secrets. Now, again, what we're talking about between MLM and secrets, you're making an assumption there. And when we assume, we what? The assumption is that MLM equals money and success and blah, blah, blah. And you're asking the reader to bring that to the table here. What you need to, your job is to explain what's going on. Amazing MLM, and it's almost advanced. I would be tempted to do things like use advanced but simple MLM secrets that put you in the top 10% of all online marketers. In other words, the mantra that I try to get into most of my stuff, whether I use these words or just use the attitude, is fast, simple, easy, and cheap. Cheap can be identified as a bargain, which I explained, so I don't want to say it's cheap product, but that's the way I say it to myself, fast, easy, simple, and cheap. If you can work all of that in, that's usually going to explain a part of the USP or possibly your entire USP, and how you qualify those terms by adding words, by changing the verbs or making them more active, making them more powerful, will help you be more unique. In other words, how fast you are. If everybody's fast in the market, you can still be faster. Or you may just back up and say, we're slower, but we have better quality or blah, blah, blah. So answer those questions.